So guys, I decided to make a bike check today because frankly I haven't made one in a while. So I'm going to start with the back end today. My tires are Demolition Momentum tires. I have a Shelly Conspiracy hubcard. New Animal NK3s, I just got them, so as you can tell, like the bottom really isn't worn, so I really just bought these like 2 days ago. Red Primo spokes, Alienation Rust V2 Free Coaster. 2 Alienation 440 rims. The back one has a silver side because if I run brakes, it doesn't mess up the paint, even though there's no paint there. Smart move, Alienation Electric did. McNeil valve caps. Stolen Mob cranks. Come on, refocus. Stolen Mob cranks. Animal Stephen Hamilton. Pedals. And bolt wise, I took off the aluminum bolts because they're very shitty bolts and they shipped out in like 3 months. I love these bolts, they were enclosed, so it's whatever. I have a Colt chain. I have it fit to a 23.9. No, it's not the correct gear ratio, but it works for me. Seat and seat clamp. Seat, they dual center seat or dual brand seat. Either one still at the market. I have a Demolition seat post. Sunday Slim seat clamp. Stolen Revolver bottom bracket. Stolen Mob cranks. If I didn't say that already, even though I felt I did. Odyssey CS2 race forks. Demolition tires once again. The Animal NK3 in the front. This hub I'm running now, I know last video I had a Demolition Phantom front hub. But this time I have a G Sport Marmoset. McNeil valve caps again in red. Sputnik headset. It's a stock fit stem, but it works. Colt Leader V1 bars, because they have the V2s out, but I'm buying those soon. They're a little bit wider by like 25 millimeters, which is really very long. ODI-O grips, very comfortable. I would suggest buying them. Animal Metal Barns, I've had these for a year. They hold up greatly and take a lot of abuse. And bike and weight wise, my frame is a stock Witty People Trust 2010. But you know it works. I'm getting an aftermarket frame this summer, so I really couldn't care if it was stock or aftermarket. My bike's still light for a free coaster bike. Oh, and sprocket wise, I have a 23 tooth Animal Vinny. So other than that, my bike is 24.7 ounces, or 24 pounds, 7 ounces. And I know I haven't put up a lot of riding videos, so the weather has been really shitty in New York. Like it's been hot and cold and snowy one day. So weather's all fucked up over here. Don't come over here. So now it's like in springtime and it's getting nice out, so I should be having more edits up and clips of people biking and me. So just stay tuned to my channel, keep subscribing. For the people who unsubscribe, fuck you. Keep subscribing, like, favorite, and I'm out.